Hello and welcome to the Principles of Programming series. In this video, we're going to go over Chapter 8 Labs in Python. Before we do, go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Whenever you subscribe to the channel, it makes it easier for you to navigate. Also, you'll be notified whenever a new video is posted on any channel you're subscribed to. Also, if you're unable to subscribe or like or hit the comment button, means you're not logged in. And if you have not created a YouTube account, you won't be able to do any of that. But just know that the YouTube account is free and it takes less than a minute to create. So go ahead and do that. And let's dive into seeing what this video is going to be about. The first lab that we're going to discuss is Chapter 8, Python Lab 8-1, which deals with swapping values. Let's go to our task to see what we'll be doing under this. And our task is, in this lab, you will complete a Python program that swaps values stored in 3 integer variables and determines maximum and minimum values. The Python file provided for this lab contains the necessary variable initializations as well as the input and output statements. You want to end up with the smallest value stored in the variable named first and the largest value stored in the variable named third. You need to write statements that compare the values and swap them if appropriate. Comments included in the code tell you where to write your statement. Let's look at our code. Out. So let's see what we have. We have our 3 variables, first, second, and third. They're all initialized to 0. They're all integers. And then here, they're converted into, the strings are converted into integers. First number, second number, and third number instead of first, second, and third. All right, so good to know. So let's start on line 24. And let's start with the if. If first is greater than second, semicolon. Let's bounce down to make them swap by typing first, comma, second equals second, comma, first. That'll swap them. Let's leave a space there. So nothing goes after that. And next, test to see if the second number is greater than the third number. Down a little bit. Go down to line 29, leave some space. And let's go with second, comma, third equals. Ahead of myself. Let's test it first by going if second is greater than third. Colon like the last one. Then we can sit down and do the swap. Second, comma, third equals third, comma, second. After that, so let's swap correctly. Let's go here to line 34. Just to see if the first number is greater than the second number again. So we'll do another if first is greater than second. Colon that. Then let's do our swap. Let's do first, comma, second, sequential equals second, comma, first. Okay, leave that, nothing after that. Now we're going to print values. They're already done. Yep, already done. Print values in numerical order. That's already done. Scroll down. Everything looks like it's ready. Let's take a quick look at our code again. This is what was given to us. convert those to strings. And then if first is greater than second, first comma second equals second comma first. If second greater than third, then second comma third equals third comma second. And if greater than, didn't do it, should be first. Nice catch if you caught it. If not, you did that time. The first comma second equals second comma first. And let's go ahead and try to run this. See what we get. And we got enter first number, so let's run it. Calculate it while I do this. Let's see the first number. Can't find the numbers. So we'll calculate it. We got 100% and we got the something's missing. Something's missing. What's going on? Alright, well we did get our 100%. If you want to do the numbers, I don't remember what they are, but I'll do any numbers and then put them in the right order. 100, enter, 43, enter, negative 5. So it did get the smallest, then the next largest, then 100, and then the largest. So it did work. We did get 100. So let's go on to our next lesson. But let me give you one more look at the code in case you had a mistake. Starting from line 24 is where we started to line 36. So I'll let you gander at that for a bit. All right. So let's go on to our next lab. Our next lab is going to be Chapter 8, Python Lab 8-2, using a bubble sort. So our task for this one, in this lab, you will complete a Python program that uses a list to store data for the village of Marengo. The program is described in Chapter 8, Exercise 5. The program should allow the user to enter each household size and determine the mean and the median household size in Marengo. The program should output the mean and median household size in Marengo. The file provided for the lab contains the necessary variable initializations and input statements. You need to write the code that sorts the household sizes in ascending order using a bubble sort and then prints the mean and median household size in Marengo. Comments in the code tell you where to write your statements. So instructions, task 1, write the bubble sort and output the mean and median household size in Marengo. And here's the example. You're going to put these numbers in. Then when you get to the last number, you're going to put in 99, 999, and then it'll give you the average, or the mean, the median, or the mean and the median. All right, so that's how we'll check it. So this time, let's go here. We won't calculate it till we do that. Well, all right, let's look at our code. Here we have our variables. They're initialized. We got 6 variables. They're all integers. Then they input the household sizes. All that's kind of given for us. So what it looks like, we'll start on line 26. Calculate total household code, household sizes. So 26. Let's see. So total equals household sizes. Household sizes, and because we're dealing with an array like this here, we're going to use the same box with X in it. Oops. There we go. And Python, nothing goes there. Down, everything else is looking good. And we'll go to line 36 next, where we'll new size of household, so that'll be size, which is constant, equals X, a constant. Then find the mean, do that by mean equals, and we'll do the calculation for the mean, which is total divided by size. Alright. Still no punctuation for this Python project. So next, this is the work done in the sort list method. Number of items to compare. Go pairs to compare. Alright. And that'll equal size minus 1. And scroll down so we can get to what we got left. Set flag to false. So let's 46 and switch occurred. Occurred equals true. Capital T there. Keep a space. Okay, outer loop controls number of passes over the data. That's the flag. Let's go do this in one. And then we'll just do while switch occurred. Occurred, and then our colon. From there, let's go to our inner loop, finish this while statement. So let's go x equals 0. And switch occurred equals false. And nothing there. We'll need to do another while. That capitalize it for me. So now we'll need an inner loop. This is another while statement. So while x is less than pairs to compare. Going right because I had them both the same. It would have worked as long as I was accurate. I want to do it right. Camera paste that correctly. Pairs to compare. Let's go colon. Another space. Let's see. Finish this loop. So if household size sizes that is, so I'm using x household sizes is greater than household sizes, and let's do x plus 1. Another space, let's get. So household sizes, we'll do a few of those. Yeah. Sizes. X. Comma. X plus 1 equals first. Correction. Household sizes x plus 1, comma, household those. Let's go inside the box and let's enter and do switch occurred true. It says that right there. It means I misspelled one of those. I gotta find it. True, capital T on true. For me. And let's go ahead and down. And outside is if. Let's go ahead and do ready for the next pair by x plus or and to reduce the number of pairs. So again, pairs to compare. All right. Now, get that again if you need to go back to it. Here's where we go. Let's go here. Chance to look at that. All right. Over so you can see this whole line. 58, 59. So let's go back down to where we were. First to compare. Now this is the work done in the display list method. So all we're going to do with that is just print. Let's see. Output. So let's print. Parentheses, quotes, and then let's say mean household size Marengo is. Marengo is space colon and comma that. And we'll type in mean for that. Print mean household size of Marengo is okay. Looks good. Here to calculate the median depending on the size of the list and print the median. Do that here. So line 70 we'll go if size, but we'll do capital since it's a constant. The size is percent 2 equals 0 colon half it. So half equals t size divided by 2. Inside that, and we start off the -1 after that. All right. Down to the next one. What here? Oh, we're still on there. So let's go household size. Just size because we're doing it without array. Let's go with median. That's going to equal household size is half. Create that half inside that box. Go with plus and household size half plus 1. let's go, and we're going to divide it by 2. Alright, so that's the formula for that. And let's print it. Print. And I'm going to take this whole thing and just correct it. Print, and this is going to be median. Median household size in Marengo is, and then this is going to be household size median. Go. Got some things cleared up after that. Challenging me on my all over. Alright. Alright. So let's go down. Now let's do our else. Semicolon or colon. And median equals integer size divided by 2. Divided by 2. Still. So. Oh, there's one more thing. I need to out. More print. Print. And I'll type median. Statement. So let's go household size is median. Want that inside trying to do it there. Alright. So quick look at this and we'll run it. Alright, I spotted a few mistakes, but I did recorrect that. Let's go over this here from 66 on down to 77 before we do run it. I did do a couple corrections. So print mean household size is in Marengo is, and then with mean, then calculate the median depending on the size of list, then print the median. Size divide or size percentage is 2 equals 0. Colon half equals int size divided by 2, and outside that is -1. Household size underscore median equals household sizes half in brackets or in box. Household sizes half plus 1 in box, and then divide that by 2. Then print median household sizes in Marengo is household sizes underscore median. This. Then medium equals int size divided by 2. Print medium household size in Marengo household sizes median. This time. Alright. Let's go ahead and try to run that. See what we get. So, hit the button, nothing happens. Another run button. Not getting any output. Alright, so let's try something else. Copy and paste this here. I'm going to try it in my IDE. Wait a minute. Alright, we have our Visual Basic open, but we don't have the numbers. So let's see if we'll run it here. Be gone. Let's go ahead and run it. What we get. go. It's starting. Enter household size or put. I don't know the numbers, so I'm going to put something in there, and it should read. So, wrong thing. Sorry. Where did I put? And then 999 to click. So basically, did the work. Didn't have the right numbers. It want to switch over to the page. But if you put those numbers in off the page, you should get it. I don't know what's going on with the IDE. I'm going to copy and paste it back and try to run it again. I don't know if my run button was even working. Let's try that. Maybe I had it open too long. I will give it a shot again. Right there. Run it. Open a file which can run. All kind of errors. Half of it. No wonder it's not. All right. There we go. Now, still not running. But let me calculate it. Let's see what it does. Weird. But we know the code is right. GitHub is not letting us put this through. And we'll wait for that zero to calculate, but I'll look at the code again in case you missed something. First we started at 26, I believe it was. Total plus equals household sizes. Then we went down to 36, size equals X. 39, mean equals pool size. Put this out here. Oops, and so on. Like that. Go over here. Let's see if we got 100% with that. So I know how to grade. It looked like it didn't give us nothing. But that's the way it goes sometimes on GitHub. So if you do that, and I'll check the code. If you got a 0, I'll get full credit for it. So thanks for viewing the video. Hopefully by the time this video gets circulated, they'll fix these bugs in GitHub, and we'll be able to have a smoother one. But thanks for joining. Please smash the like button if you didn't already do so. Leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful day.